Hello students, welcome to English language class. Now today we will start a new chapter, that is chapter number 10. The name of the chapter is pronouns. So what is the name of the chapter? Pronouns. Now read these sentences. This is a cute dog. It loves to play all day. Next sentence. Hi, I am Sonia. I study in grade 1. Next sentence. Ria and Bob are friends. They go to school together. Now, here in these sentences, if we say that this is a cute dog, this dog loves to play all day, then there will be repetition and it will create confusion. Hi, I am Sonia. And I study in grade 1. Next is Ria and Bob are friends. Ria and Bob go to school together. Ria and Bob carry their bag. If it is said like this, then there will be repetition and it will create confusion. So, to avoid this, we use pronouns. So, there are many pronouns. Let's see them one by one. We, us, I, me, mine, you. Here you is used. This girl you can see, she is pointing to the another girl and she is saying you for one person. And here two are there. For them also she is saying you. Now here this girl is pointing towards the book. And for book she is using it and this. Now here this boy is pointing towards three persons and for three persons he can use they, them, their. In the first picture you can see this girl is pointing towards a male person and for male person he, him, his can be used. And for in the second picture for female we can use she, her. Now just see the pronouns here. These all words are pronoun. I, me, mine, we, us, it, this, you. Now they, them, their, you, he, him, his, she, her. These all are the pronouns. Now what are the pronouns? A word which is used in place of a noun in a sentence is known as pronoun. So what is a pronoun? A word which is used in place of a noun in a sentence is known as a pronoun. Now look at these sentences. Qasim is an old man. He walks slowly. Here Qasim is a boy. So for boy we use he. At the place of Qasim we use he. There is a woman in the balcony. She is our neighbor. If we say there is a woman in the balcony, the woman is our neighbor, the woman is gentle and kind, then there will be repetition. So to avoid this repetition, we use a word pronoun that is she. The dog, and here woman is a feminine gender. She is used for woman. The dog has bread, meat and milk. It is loyal to me. Here it is a pronoun that is used for an animal, that is dog. This is my doll. I play with it every day. So here doll is a non-living thing, and for non-living thing and animals it is used. Now Deepak and Hirak are brothers. They are twins. Here they, for two or more person, they is used. Now just see here, watch out column is there in your book, it is given. The pronoun you can be used instead of singular nouns as well as plural nouns. As I have told in that picture also, pronoun you can be used as singular as well as plural noun. Like Rama is looking for you, Meena. So here you is used for single person. Suman and Mohan, can you come with me? Here Suman and Mohan are two persons. They are plural. So you is used here. Now here the pronouns I, you, he, she, they are used in place of names of people. So for the names of people, I, you, he, she, they are used. And it is used for things and animals. The common pronouns that we use are I, we, you, he, she, it, they, them, him, her, me, and us. These all are the pronouns that are used for common pronouns. Hope you understood what is pronoun and where to use them. Thank you.